This thing now, they can't tell us before. Say, Ladikpo and Alaba be first place where these people go attack. If Tinubu enter and looking of 18 now true talks. Tinubu don't enter, they don't first attack Araba. That one never do them. Now they don't enter Ladikpo. Since last week they lock Ladikpo. My brother, now wait which kind of government today? And now Ladikpo where they lock. Now where Igbo people they do business. And that's so the Ladikpo from all these parts where they see for this Ikoku, who they buy them from. If now we know if you buy them, their government is tribalistic. It's not good. It doesn't do. The guy where Yoruba people they do business for that Lagos, for Mushi, they not go there. Now almost na main road then they do the business. They don't block the whole main road. They don't go there. But that Ladikpo where Igbo people there, Alaba where Igbo people there. Now that place they only that place they know. Okay, if you don't love somebody, free the person, make him they go. You know go they say I don't want to. Still, you know go allow me go. No. Maybe if you the country, you don't want to do one own thing. Maybe Biafra people do one go. You don't want to leave us go. You still they oppress us.
Hello, my brothers and sisters, my friends and my well wishers. I brought one day great reward. Now for still because the MCK's local CC. I am from Batozo no Hoti get that company. Boyaman Egeti. Asa the master the Maman Koyoti Yazim. Dickie says you like HF Panaki on our YouTube channel and subscribe. Go to our Instagram and Facebook page and follow us. MCK's local CC. Kaine with Regia, Ebon Adegema. Umunnem dukunu sekiri onyonya nke a na-eme na mpaghara ahịa nke ndị na Lagos nke a na-akpọ Ladikpo ebe ụmụ Igbo na-azụ akụrụngwa ejenyere ụgbọala maọbụ ihe eji amụ ọkụ maọbụ zụkwa ọgbatumtum ebe ụmụ Igbo na-azụ ahịa njin na ime ahịa Ladikpo ka ejidere were na-akwarịsị. Emebikwara ọtụtụ ihe na-abịa ime ahịa, akụtukwara ọtụtụ ụlọ, emebikwara ọtụtụ ngwongwo ahịa ndị ụmụ Igbo n'ebe ahụ dịcha iche iche. Emekwara ngwaahịa ụmụ Igbo akaje ma kpụtọkwa ọtụtụ na ngwaahịa ndị na-enweghị ka ọha ha na mpaghara ahịa nke a na-akpọ Ladikpo na Lagos. Ụmụ Igbo nọzikwa ebe ahụ, ọtụtụ ndị jizikwa iwe wee na-asị na ha mara ebe ha ga-agbaji na alụ anọ n'enunyu na ọ gbakwara ha bụ ijijigharịa. Dịka isekiri onyonyo a, ọtụtụ ihe mere n'ihe onyonyo a mana mma nkọwata nwunye kama ịtọ ntị na ijiri anya gị kirie ya. Ma dịka isekiri nke a, echefukwara ka ịtụsara m meseji a ma zisazikwara m ozi a nke ọma.
This thing now, they can't tell us before. Say, Ladikpo and Alaba be first place where these people go attack. If Tinubu enter and looking of 18 now true talks. Tinubu don't enter, they don't first attack Araba. That one never do them. Now they don't enter Ladikpo. Since last week they lock Ladikpo. My brother, now wait which kind of government today? And now Ladikpo where they lock. Now where Igbo people they do business. And that's so the Ladikpo from all these parts where they see for this Ikoku, who they buy them from. If now we know if you buy them, their government is tribalistic. It's not good. It doesn't do. The guy where Yoruba people they do business for that Lagos, for Mushi, they not go there. Now almost na main road then they do the business. They don't block the whole main road. They don't go there. But that Ladikpo where Igbo people there, Alaba where Igbo people there. Now that place they only that place they know. Okay, if you don't love somebody, free the person, make him they go. You know go they say I don't want to. Still, you know go allow me go. No. Maybe if you the country, you don't want to do one own thing. Maybe Biafra people do one go. You don't want to leave us go. You still they oppress us.
isi a nwekwa n'isi azụ